Hello guys, today I would like to show you something that I recently buy from eBay, and this is a silicone self-fusing tape. I think, hold on a second, I will check on my phone. That's self-fusing seal repair emergency rescue silicone tape. That's how they selling it. And I found this an extremely useful in the electronic lab, and I will show you the main reason why I buy this. So couple months back I have to put this antenna on my rooftop because my main one was broken, and as you can see I've got a couple adapters over here to get the UHF connector. And as you can see, I used this tape and put it outside, and everything was perfect. Before I found this tape, I was using a silicone to secure all this connection, but you might think that if you use a silicone you can't take it apart, but on this one you can very easily take everything apart without damaging any components. So I will try to make a close-up. That was outdoor for a couple of months, as you can see, and let's try to cut it and check how it looks like. After some time it looks like it's self-fused together, so it looks like one piece. You can feel that. Let's try to cut it with my knife. Here you can see. It's how it looks like. It just like molded together, all the layers. As you can see, they just looks like it was one layer, but there is a couple of layers. They just stuck together. Let's try cut it more. Okay. You can see that just looks like some piece of rubber, but there is no glue, nothing, just looks at the edge. It looks like one piece. Can you see this? It looks like one piece, but it was just a couple of layers, one of top each other, and as you can see everything is clean. There is absolutely no residue, no water inside. Everything is clear, so there is no water damage. So as you can see, it's extremely useful for connecting every kind of connection outdoor to protect from water. I can quickly show you how to apply this. So, for example, I've got two batteries and I would like to connect them together. I'm going to cut this. So the interesting thing, there is no glue. It's just going into reaction with itself. There is no glue and nothing will stick like on the piece you are working on. So if you want to draw, okay, and as you can see it's stretching. It can stretch. The more you stretch it, hold on a second. And that's how it looks like. The harder you pull, the more strong it will get. And as you can see, you can connect two pieces together, you can secure them, and after a while it will change for a solid structure, so it will be like this, like one piece of material. You can see the layer on this one, just like one piece of rubber, like one piece of rubber. And the most interesting thing, you can just get a knife, you just cut it, and there is no glue. It just looks like new. Nothing stays. So I would definitely recommend you buying this if you are working with electronics or you have to prevent water from going into a connection, or for example you've got a leaking hose